In this video, we are going to unbox, set up, and operate the Onyx RX40 Ride-On Autoscrubber. Before we move forward, find the operator's manual found at onyxsolutions.com/support. To start uncrating, remove the top of the crate. You'll notice one side of the pallet has Phillips head screws. Remove these screws to let down the ramp. Now remove the packaging from the machine. Now that is completed, connect the main machine positive terminal to the battery. Now turn on the machine and turn off all the machine components to lift the squeegee and the brush deck. We're almost ready to drive the machine off the pallet. First, remove anything that may keep the machine from being driven off the pallet. Now carefully drive the machine off the pallet. Now that the machine is off the pallet, install the squeegee assembly as seen here. To install the brushes onto the machine, lift up the skirt, slide the brush under, and lift the brush onto the triangle drive and twist to secure. Similarly, to remove the brush, twist the brush back and forth until it falls off the triangle driver. Fill the machine using the port found at the front. You can see how much water is remaining in the tank using the gauge found at the side of the machine. The dashboard is where you'll find all of the controls and indicators required for operation. You turn on and off the machine using the key switch here. You use the function selector right here to choose which functions you would like turned on. You can set the machine to go forwards, backwards, or neutral using this lever here. There is a horn button right here. You can raise and lower head pressure using this switch here, which is indicated by the main screen right here from 1 to 3, with 3 being the highest and 1 being the lowest. You can turn on and off the rear spray gun pump using this button here. On the main screen, you can see the battery voltage, the pad pressure, the number of hours of operation, and the battery life remaining. On the other side of the machine, you can adjust the water solution flow rate using this lever here. If the red light is on, it means that your recovery tank is full and needs to be emptied. If the green light is on, it means that your solution tank is empty and needs to be filled. At any time, press the red button and it will shut off all operations of the machine. At the rear of the machine, you'll find the solution spray gun, which can be used to help clean out the recovery tank, or it can be used to spray down particularly dirty parts of floor. To begin operation, turn the machine on, turn on the desired machine functions, set the desired head pressure, set the machine to go forward, and press the pedal to engage the machine. When you're done using the machine, you can use the hose found at the rear of the machine to drain the recovery tank. You can also drain the recovery tank by unscrewing the drain port found at the rear of the machine. You should put the machine on the charger by plugging the machine into the charger and the charger into the wall. This will begin charging the machine, and once the machine is fully charged, it will turn on a trickle charging mode to maintain a full battery charge. Remember to leave the machine on the charger whenever it is not in use. That being said, you have now uncrated, set up, and learned how to operate your RX40 auto scrubber. If you have any further questions or require additional support, go to onyxsolutions.com/support.